We'll guide you through how to animate a hand in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create realistic hand animation in Adobe After Effects. It helps beginners understand how to use tools like puppet pin and keyframes to make natural movement. First, open Adobe After Effects application on your computer system and ensure the software is fully loaded before continuing. Import a hand image or illustration into the project panel for use so that the project workspace is ready for editing tasks. Place the hand layer into the timeline to begin working with it properly, and prepare the layer for animation adjustments and control. Select the puppet pin tool from the toolbar at the top so it can be accessed quickly during animation work. Add pins on joints such as the wrist, palm, fingers, and other necessary areas carefully to ensure smooth bending and natural finger movement in animation. Create the starting pose by positioning the pins in a natural resting position, first making sure the pose looks stable before keyframing begins. Move the playhead forward in the timeline to set a new point in time to establish the next stage of motion in sequence. Adjust the pins to create movement in the hand animation gradually to form realistic hand movement transitions between frames. Add more keyframes to achieve smoother motion across the timeline sequence for smoother animation flow and better timing results. Apply Easy Ease using F9 to smooth the transitions between keyframes easily to make motion transitions appear more natural and fluid. Preview the animation to check the motion quality and timing and confirm that the animation plays smoothly without errors. Add secondary motion to improve realism in the hand movement naturally to make the hand animation look more realistic and natural. Enable motion blur if needed to enhance the visual effect of movement for more realistic motion blur effects during playback. Finally, export your final animation for use or sharing purposes so the final output can be used in projects or shared online